Today, I am reviewing the Renogy 100W 12V Solar Panel Starter Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I've spent the last 3 months living with this Renogy 100W starter kit bolted to the roof of my camper, and I can tell you right now that it is not the magical power solution that some people expect it to be. If you are looking for a simple, entry-level way to keep your lights on and your phone charged while boondocking, this kit works, but there are some real-world limitations you need to understand before you commit to the installation. Let's start with the build quality, because that is where Renogy actually earns its reputation. The panel itself feels incredibly solid. I have driven through some fairly intense storms and high-wind mountain passes, and the frame has held up without a single issue. They claim it can handle heavy snow loads, and while I haven't tested it under a foot of ice, the mounting brackets are sturdy enough that I don't worry about the panel flying off on the highway. If you want to check the current pricing or see the full specs for yourself, there are links below the video that will take you straight to the product page. The real heart of this kit is the Wanderer 30 amp charge controller. This is where you get a lot of value for your money. It is a PWM controller, which is older technology compared to the more efficient MPPT controllers you might see on higher-end rigs. In practical terms, this means you are going to lose some potential power, especially on cloudy days or during the early morning and late afternoon. If you are someone who needs every single watt of efficiency to run a refrigerator or a heavy-duty inverter, you might find this controller frustrating. However, for a basic setup that just needs to keep a battery bank topped off, it is simple, reliable, and it gets the job done without a complex setup process. One thing I really liked during my testing was the compatibility. I switched from a standard lead-acid deep-cycle battery to a lithium iron phosphate battery halfway through my trip, and the controller handled the transition without any fuss. You can adjust the settings for different battery chemistries, which makes this kit a great starting point if you plan on upgrading your power system later on. I also added the optional Bluetooth module to use the Renogy app, and honestly, it is a game changer. Being able to see exactly how many amps are coming into the system while I am sitting inside the camper is much better than having to climb out and check the LCD screen on the wall. Now, let's talk about the disappointments, because no review is honest without them. First, the cable management in this kit is a bit of a headache. The tray cables included are fine, but they are quite stiff, and if you are doing a custom install in a tight space, you're going to be fighting with them. Also, the 100-watt rating is based on perfect laboratory conditions. In the real world, especially if you aren't parked in direct, high-noon sunlight, you are rarely going to see that full output. Expecting to charge a large battery bank from 0 to 100% with just this single panel is unrealistic. You really need to view this as a maintenance charger rather than a primary power station. If you have high energy needs, you will definitely find yourself wanting to expand the system to the 400-watt limit that the controller allows. Another point to consider is the installation. The kit comes with Z-brackets, which are standard, but depending on your roof material, you might need to buy additional sealant or specialized hardware to ensure it is watertight. Do not just rely on the included screws if you have a thin roof, or you will end up with leaks that cause way more damage than the cost of the kit. If you are not comfortable drilling holes into your vehicle, you might want to look into portable folding panels instead, or hire a professional to handle the mounting. So, who is this actually for? I think this is perfect for the weekend warrior. If you go out for 2 or 3 days at a time and just need to keep your LED lights, a water pump, and a few USB devices running, this kit is more than enough. It is also a great learning tool if you are new to solar and want to understand how a basic electrical system works without breaking the bank. You can find the links below if you want to look at the kit and see if it fits the dimensions of your roof. However, you should avoid this if you're planning to live off-grid full-time. If you are running a laptop, a television, a coffee maker, or a compressor fridge, 100 watts is simply not going to cut it. You'll be constantly checking your battery levels and worrying about the weather. If that is your lifestyle, you should save your money and invest in a larger MPPT controller and at least 200 or 300 watts of solar right from the start. Overall, the Renogy 100W starter kit is a solid, honest product. It doesn't overpromise, and the build quality is significantly better than the no-name brands you see flooding the market. It is not the most efficient system on the planet, and the PWM controller is definitely an entry-level component, but for the price, it is hard to beat the peace of mind you get from their warranty and the fact that the components are designed to work together right out of the box. Just be realistic about your power needs, and you won't be disappointed. If you have any questions about how I mounted mine or how it performed during specific weather conditions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to check the links below to see the current pricing and availability.